Hello plant fella, welcome to Javaniska Elflora. If you love rare and exotic plants, you're in for a treat. Imagine a vine that produces cascading waterfalls of fiery red flowers hanging in long, mesmerizing clusters. This isn't a fantasy, this is Mucuna Bennettii, also known as the Red Jade Vine. Many plant lovers are familiar with the Blue Jade Vine, but few have heard of this equally breathtaking cousin. Why is this plant so rare? Can you grow it at home? And what makes it so unique? Stay with us as we uncover the hidden secrets of Mucuna Bennettii, a true marvel of the botanical world. Mucuna Bennettii is one of the most spectacular flowering vines found in nature. Belonging to the Fabaceae family, this plant is native to the lush, humid rainforests of Papua New Guinea. It is a close relative of legumes and shares some characteristics with other climbing species. However, what truly sets it apart is its dramatic red-orange flower clusters, which can measure up to 1.5 meters long. Despite its jaw-dropping beauty, Mucuna Bennettii remains rare and relatively unknown outside botanical gardens and tropical plant collections. This makes it a true collector's gem, sought after by enthusiasts around the world. Unlike many tropical plants that have been extensively studied, Mucuna Bennettii remains somewhat of a mystery. Native to the dense rainforests of Papua New Guinea, one of the world's richest biodiversity hotspots, this trunking vine climbs high into the canopy, using towering trees as natural support. Its discovery sparked curiosity among botanists, raising fascinating questions about its ecology. What pollinates it? What gives its flowers such an intense, fiery red color? And how did such a spectacular plant remain hidden for so long? Even within its native habitat, Mucuna Bennettii is surprisingly rare, making it a highly sought-after treasure among plant collectors. Its stunning floral display and elusive nature only add to its allure, solidifying its status as one of the most extraordinary flowering vines in the world. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Mucuna Bennettii is its strikingly red flowers. In nature, flower color plays a crucial role in attracting pollinators, and the vivid red and orange hues of this vine suggest a specialized relationship with certain animals. Many botanists believe it could be pollinated by sunbirds or bats, both of which are drawn to bright colors. The deep, curved shape of its flowers may indicate that a strong pollinator is required to access the nectar, making it a possible example of bat pollination chiropterophily or bird pollination ornithophily. Adding to its dramatic appearance, each flower cluster can reach over a meter in length, with dozens of claw-shaped blossoms hanging in a dense cascade. If you're fortunate enough to acquire a Mucuna Bennettii, successfully growing it requires careful attention to its specific needs. This fast-growing vine thrives in warm, humid conditions with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. It prefers rich, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter to support its vigorous growth. Since it's a natural climber, providing a strong support structure such as a trellis, pergola, or large tree is essential. While it enjoys bright, indirect light, too much direct sun can scorch its leaves, so dappled light is ideal. Consistent moisture is also crucial, but overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. One of the biggest challenges with Mucuna Bennettii is getting it to bloom. Unlike some flowering vines that produce flowers quickly, this species can take several years before it reaches maturity and begins flowering. Patience and proper care are key, but once in bloom, its breathtaking cascades of fiery red flowers make the effort truly worthwhile. Unlike many common garden plants, Mucuna Bennettii relies on specialized pollinators. Researchers believe that its flowers require a strong force to open, something that might come from large bats, sunbirds, or even certain insects. In cultivation, this poses a challenge. Without natural pollinators, gardeners may need to hand-pollinate the flowers. When successful, the plant produces bean-like seed pods which contain viable seeds for propagation. However, germination is slow and seedlings require warm, stable conditions to thrive. Mucuna bennettii is not just rare in cultivation, it's also difficult to find in the wild due to several factors. One major threat is deforestation, as large portions of its native habitat in Papua New Guinea are being cleared for agriculture and logging, reducing the areas where it can grow. Another concern is the decline of its natural pollinators. If the birds or bats that help fertilize its flowers disappear, the plant may struggle to reproduce. Additionally, Mucuna bennettii has a naturally slow growth rate and a limited distribution, making it far less common than other tropical flowering vines. To ensure its survival, botanical gardens and conservationists are actively working to preserve this species through cultivation and habitat protection. However, its long-term future depends on safeguarding the ecosystems it calls home. Mucuna bennettii is truly one of the rarest and most spectacular flowering vines in the world. Its breathtaking beauty, fascinating pollination methods, and challenging cultivation make it a holy grail for plant collectors. If you're passionate about exotic plants, make sure to subscribe to Javaniska Elflora for more in-depth content on rare species. If you're looking for unique seeds or plants, check out our website, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next rare plant adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring nature's wonders.